Good morning children. Today 4th class mathematics. Yesterday we discussed about division number stories means word problems. That is exercise 5.4 1 comma 2 two word problems. Today we will discuss about remaining 3 and 4. Yesterday I told practice, if you try you will get means okay, if you don't get means everyone open your textbooks page number 105. I'll explain now, you have to note down. Okay. Everyone open textbook page number 105. Third problem. Before going to write the answer, already I said, read the question at least 2 times. Then you will get one idea what we have to do. Then you have to do the answer. Third one. 4125 pencils are packed equally in 33 packets. How many pencils will be there in each package? Okay. Here they given total number of pencils. First step you have to write down total. NOF is nothing but number of pencils. Total number of pencils is equal to, that is 4125. Number of pencils in each package. Number of pencils in each package is equal to 33. And what they are asking, how many pencils will be there in each package? Okay. Number of pencils, number of packets, this one, number of pencils not. Number of equal in 33 packets, number of pencils in packets. Here total how many packets are there? Number of packets is equal to 33. Now number of pencils in each package. Now NOF is number of pencils in each packet is equal to 4125 divided by 33. Now we can do the division, then we will know how many pencils are there in each package. First of all, arrange the given question 33 and 4125. Here 4125 is known as dividend. 33 is known as divisor. Okay? Here divisor, which number is there, you have to write down that table. Write down 33 table side. If you know the tables, you can write easily. If you are perfect in tables, the divisions become as easy. 2 3 6, 2 3 6. 33 3s, 3 3s 9, 3 3s 9. 33 4s, 3 4s 12, 3 4s 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Next, 33 5s, 5 3s 15, 5 3s 15 plus 1, 16. Here what is the first number children? If they given 2-digit divisor means from the question also have to take 2 numbers directly. 41 is there. But in 33 table we won't get 41. So you have to take 31 3s are 31. 31 1s are 33 1s are 33 minus symbol. 1 minus 3. Take regrouping. 4 to giving 1 number means becoming as 3. Here 1 becoming as 11. Why? Because here 110 is equal to 10 ones. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 minus 3 means 3 down which number is there? That number after to count up number until you will get. Up which number is there? Until you will get that number. 3 here. 3 in the mind, sorry. 11 minus 3. 3 after to count up to 11. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers did I open, children? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. 3 minus 3, 0. Now take the next number, that is 2, 82. Observe the 33 table. You will have 82 not there. So you have to write down. 33 twos are 66 minus 2 minus 6 not possible. Take regrouping here to here. This 8 becoming as 7, this becoming as 12. You have to do the subtraction 12 minus 6. 6 after to count up to 12. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers did I open, children? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here. 7 minus 6, 1. Okay. Next one. 5. 33 5s are 165. Minus 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 6, 1 minus 1. Therefore, quotient is equal to 125. Okay. Last, what did they ask? Write down that step. Okay. They are asking how many pencils will be there in each packet. Therefore, number of pencils in each packet is equal to 125. This is the answer. Okay. Same like this. Next to fourth question. Everyone seen your textbooks. I am reading the question. There are 10,140 flags. If equal number of flags are given to 45 schools, how many flags will each school get? How many flags will be left out? This one same like second question. Okay. First, total number of flags. You have to write down total number of flags. Total number of flags is equal to 10,140. Next, if equal number of flags given to schools means number of schools. Number of schools 45. And they are asking number of flags each school will get. Number of flags each school will get is equal to 10,140 divided by 45. You can do the division. First of all, arrange the given question. Okay. Here they given 45 numbers. So write down the 45 table. 45 ones are 45. 45 twos are 2 fives 10. 2 fours 8 plus 1 9. 45 threes are 3 fives 15. 3 fours 12 plus 1 13. 45 fours are 4 fives 20. 4 fours 16. 16 plus 2 17 18. 45 plus 5 5 fives 25. 5 fours 20. 20 plus 2 22. Okay. Here observe the given number. Here we have divisor 2 numbers, that is 45. From the dividend we have 2 numbers, that is 10. Means compared to 45 it is the smallest number. So you can take 3 numbers directly here. 101 is there. But here for 45 3s are 135. So you have to take 45 2s 90. 45 2s 90 minus 1 minus 0 1. 10 minus 9, 1. Okay? Here this number time subtracting this. Again taking regrouping also, this becoming as 10, this becoming as 0. 10 minus 9 also 1. Next 4. 114. But here we don't have 114. We have 135. Compared to 135 it is a small number. So again take 90 only. 45 2s are 90 90. 4 minus 0 4. Next take regrouping means this becoming as 11, this becoming as 0. 11 minus 9. 9 after to count up to 11. 10 11. 2 fingers. So again write down 0. 240. See here we have 240. 45 6 are 6 5s 30, 6 4s are 24, 24 25 26 27. 270. Here we have 240. So take this number. 45 5s are 225 minus. Take regrouping means 10. 10 minus 5 5. Here 3 is there. 3 minus 2 1. 2 minus 2 0. 15. So what is our quotient number? Each school will get number of flags. Okay? Number of flags. Therefore number of flags each school get is equal to 225. Okay. Next, number of flags remaining. Last did they ask how many flags will be left out. Therefore, number of flags will be left out. Will be left out. What is the remainder? That number 1 5 15. Okay, you have to copy these problems in your maths notebook. Homework. Doing maths notes. Exercise 5.4. 3,4 problems. That is textbook page number 105. Once see children, textbook page number 105, they given 3 and 4. First of all, open your notebook, write down date and day, copy the question, then do the answer. After that, leave some place and write down the 4th question and write down the 4th problem. This is your homework today. Thank you.